The province of Ilocos Sur is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Ilocos Region or Region 1. The provincial center or the provincial capital is the city of Vigan. There are 2 cities, 32 municipalities, and 768 barangays. Ilocos Sur is bordered clockwise from the north by Ilocos Norte, Abra, Mountain Province, Benguet, La Union, and the South China Sea. The following are the 32 municipalities and 2 cities comprising Ilocos Sur. The municipality of Alilim, composed of 9 barangays. The municipality of Banayoyo, composed of 14 barangays. The municipality of Bantay, which has 34 barangays. The municipality of Burgos, comprising 26 barangays. The municipality of Cabugao, which has 33 barangays. The city of Candon, which has 42 barangays. The municipality of Cauayan, which has 17 barangays. The municipality of Cervantes, which has 13 barangays. The municipality of Halimuyod, which has 24 barangays. The municipality of Gregorio del Pilar, which has 7 barangays. The municipality of Lidlida, which has 11 barangays. The municipality of Magsingal, which has 30 barangays. The municipality of Nagbukel, which has 12 barangays. The municipality of Narvacan, which has 34 barangays. The municipality of Quirino, which has 9 barangays. The municipality of Salcedo, composed of 21 barangays. The municipality of San Emilio, which has 8 barangays. The municipality of San Esteban, which has 10 barangays. The municipality of San Ildefonso, which has 15 barangays. The municipality of San Juan, which has 32 barangays. The municipality of San Vicente, with 7 barangays. The municipality of Santa, which has 26 barangays. The municipality of Santa Catalina, with 9 barangays. The municipality of Santa Cruz, with 49 barangays. The municipality of Santa Lucia, with 36 barangays. The municipality of Santa Maria, which has 33 barangays. The municipality of Santiago, which has 24 barangays. The municipality of San Domingo, which has 36 barangays. The municipality of Sigay, with 7 barangays. The municipality of Sinait, with 44 barangays. The municipality of Sogpon, which has 6 barangays. The municipality of Suyo, composed of 8 barangays. The municipality of Tagudin, which has 43 barangays. And the city of Vigan, which is the provincial center or the provincial capital, with 39 barangays. All in all, there are 768 barangays, 32 municipalities, and 2 cities in the province of Ilocos Sur. And that is all the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Ilocos Sur. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.